guys, so today I'll be doing a week in my life vlog and I hope that you guys will enjoy it, so let's go. So as you guys see, I didn't really document that much for Mondays because I literally decided to start this vlog like at night on a Monday. Like the idea just popped out of nowhere, so I'm like, okay, I'm gonna do it. So basically, to summarize what I did today, I basically ended school at 3 and then I went to eat acai, and then I came back home, took a shower, and then read my notes as a form of revision because I was really tired. And then I went to cook dinner and I ate soba, and then now I'm back in my desk and I'm about to finish my biology homework, and then after that I'm probably gonna go and sleep. So yeah, that's basically my Monday. Hey guys, so I'm about to sleep right now, and before I do that, obviously I have to do my skincare. To cleanse my face first, I use this cleansing water and I just put it in a cotton pad like that, and then I just wipe it. Okay, so I just finished cleansing my face. So I use this serum. It's the very popular Toridan serum. Like, look at how glowy. Like, look at. Woo! So right now I'm gonna do my moisturizer, and I'm using the one from Laura Kane in the cream version, and this moisturizer is honestly really good. I've been using it for around 2 years, I would say. So yeah. Hey guys, so as you guys can see, I woke up at 4 to study, and right now I just finished doing that and I'm gonna get ready for school. So right now I am studying. I'm doing math, practicing math, and eating cup noodles because I got hungry. And for context, it's like 12 a.m. I passed that already. So the math topic that I'm doing right now is algebra. I need to practice a bit of my algebra because it has been getting worse because I haven't been practicing it. So yeah. And then after my algebra topic, I'm gonna practice simultaneous equations. And yeah. It looks good. Cup noodles hit so differently at 12 a.m.
他在煮猪肉。OK。